Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today let's talk about the curve point drive method inside NX Game Cloud. So the first part, I just define the MCS and then I just define my workpiece, and in blank I take offset of 0.5. Okay, now curve point drive method, if you click on here, and you need to define this curve, right? So I just defined this curve, and this is the mill finish, and projection vector is 2 axis, and I will generate the true path, verify the true path, and see. Before it, I just created another true path for the boundary condition. As you can see over here, this is the boundary, and I just defined this boundary and cut pattern follow periphery. Okay, and generate. Okay, see, so the tool will be cut inside this. So as you can see over here, so this was the inward direction, climb cut, and person tool step over. Okay, and generate. Okay, and the next we have this. Click on the variable contour option, and here you have to select the curve point drive method and select this curve. As you can see over here, the yellow curve. Once you select this one, and now you can generate the toolpath for this one. Once you generate the toolpath, now you can verify the toolpath. See, this is the 4-axis program in case of the multi-axis. So hope you got the point and enjoyed the tutorial. So in curve point drive method, you don't need anything, just you need to select a curve or a point. Thanks for watching.